also known as the wedding cake amongst many Romans. It's made of Grecian marble and it was inaugurated in 1911. It was built to commemorate the unification of Italy, and up above, as you can see, there is the biggest statue in all of Rome, the equestrian statue with the first king of Italy, Victor Emmanuel II. It was such a difficult feat to actually construct that once it did get finished, the workers decided to have a meal inside the belly of the horse. At 33 feet long and 36 foot tall, it could certainly house the big dinner with all the pastries and the vermouth that was drunk. This monument also has the unknown soldier tomb with the eternal flame, above which you can see the goddess of Roma, and is constantly guarded 24/7 by soldiers.